Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Speak Smart English. Today we are going to talk about a common issue that many of us face when speaking English. And it is the struggle to find the right words when we speak English. If you have ever felt stuck or anxious when trying to speak in English, this video is for you. So let's start the video. First, let's understand why this happens. Why do we struggle to find the right words when speaking English? English is a new language for some people and it can be a bit difficult. And you might worry about making mistakes or not finding the right words. This anxiety can block your mind and make it even harder to speak. But don't worry, it's completely normal. So, how can we overcome this fear and speak English more confidently? Here are some practical tips. Number one, practice regularly. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Try speaking English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Our second tip is to think in English. Guys, try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. This will definitely help you to become more fluent and spontaneous. And now, I'll tell you tip number 3. Use simple sentences. You don't need to start with difficult and complex sentences. Start with simple sentences in the beginning. Gradually, you will become perfect in this process and you will be able to speak long sentences. Don't worry about being perfect, just focus on communicating your message in English. For example, instead of saying, I would like to express my gratitude for your assistance, you can say, thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Instead of saying the weather is exceptionally pleasant today, you can say it's a nice day today. It's a nice day today. Instead of saying could you provide your feedback on this matter, just say can you give me your feedback? Can you give me your feedback? Next, instead of saying I am currently experiencing some difficulty in understanding this concept, you can say I don't understand this. I don't understand this. So guys, I hope these 3 tips will work for you. Now our next tip is tip number 4. Learn common phrases. Memorize some common phrases and expressions. This will give you a foundation to build on during conversations. For example, how are you? What's up? See you later. I don't know. Can you help me? Excuse me. I'm sorry. Nice to meet you. And friends, to learn these common phrases, you can also watch some daily use sentences videos. This will definitely help you to learn different sentences for different daily life situations. Now our tip number 5 is listen and repeat. Listen to English speakers every day and try to mimic their pronunciation and intonation. Just copy your favorite English speakers. And guys, this will definitely help you to improve your English speaking skills and make you sound more natural. You can also watch English web series or Hollywood movies for this. You can see captions and just repeat those captions. Now in our next step, you need to build your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases. Read, listen to and use new vocabulary in your own speaking. And the more words you know, the more easily you can construct sentences. Next, tip number 7, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Fluency comes with practice and it's normal to struggle at first. So stay positive and keep trying. Your skills will improve over time. Now, tip number 8 is immerse yourself in English. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will become over time. Tip number 9 is consistent, focused practice. With practice and dedication, you can develop fluency in speaking English. Now, let's talk about dealing with anxiety while speaking English. It's normal to feel nervous, but there are ways to manage this anxiety. Breathe and relax. Breathe and relax. Take deep breaths before you speak. This will help you to calm your nerves. Slow down your pace. It's okay to speak slowly. This will give you more time to think and choose your words. Next, be patient with yourself. Remember, learning a new language takes time, and don't be too hard on yourself if you make mistakes. Don't mind your mistakes. Every mistake is a step towards your improvement. Next, positive self talk. Encourage yourself with positive affirmations. Tell yourself that you can do it and that's okay to make mistakes. Please remember the key to overcoming the fear of speaking English. English is practice and patience. Don't let anxiety hold you back. With time and effort, you will become more fluent and confident. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning tips. Until next time, keep practicing and stay safe. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video.